Hello my dear students. Students, in the last class we discussed that the derivation of the Gram's law from kinetic gas equation. Now I am going to discuss the derivation of the Dalton's law from kinetic gas equation. It is also very important, which carries 4 marks. Short answer question. Derivation of the Dalton's law from kinetic gas equation. So what do you mean by Dalton's law of partial pressure? Dalton's law of partial pressure. So according to Dalton's law, the total pressure exerted by the non-reacting gases mixture is equals to the sum of the individual gases. Is equals to the sum of the individual gases. That is called Dalton's law of partial pressure. So according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, P total is equals to P1 plus P2. For example, two gases, we are taking the two gases. Their partial pressure is, first gas partial pressure is P1 and the second gas partial pressure is P2. The sum of the individual partial pressure should be equals to the total pressure of the non-reacting gases mixture is called Dalton's law of partial pressure. What is mean by partial pressure? Partial pressure is nothing but the pressure exerted by the individual component of the gas which is present in a mixture of the gases. That is known as partial pressure. What is a partial pressure? The pressure exerted by the individual component of the gas present within the mixture of the different gases, that is called partial pressure. Right? According to the kinetic gas equation, kinetic theory of the gas molecules, PV equals to, according to kinetic theory of gas molecules, PV equals to 1 by 3 Mn U square Rms. This is kinetic gas equation. According to kinetic theory of gas molecules, PV equal to 1 by 3 Mn U square Rms. Let us consider a vessel. The volume of the vessel is V, right? Fill the gas whose mass is m1, mass of gas, and number of molecules n1, number of molecules. Okay. Next, u1 square Rms, that means Rms velocity, RMS speed of that gas molecules. Then pressure P1. Similarly, the gas which is replaced with another gas, same container, volume is remains same, then the mass is, here the same container whose volume is V, mass m2, number of molecules n2, u2 square RMS speed, and pressure P2. Right? Now, by mixing these two gases in a same container, the mixing of these two gases, same container, here whose volume is V, then total pressure. This total pressure should be equals to P1 plus P2. P total equals to P1 plus P2. Here P1, P2 are the partial pressures. So this is known as Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, students? Right. Now let us see how can we derive the Dalton's law of partial pressure from kinetic gas equation. Let us consider a gas filled in a container. The volume of the container, V, mass of the gas m1, RMS speed. RMS speed is U1 square RMS. Number of molecules. Number of molecules of the gas. Of the gas is N1. Pressure of the gas. P1. Then according to kinetic gas equation, P1V equals to 1 by 3 Mn M1 N1 U1 square RMS. This is first gas. From this P1 equals to 1 by 3 M1 N1 U1 square RMS. Right? And the volume of the vessel is V. That's why here pressure P1, volume of the container, volume of the vessel is V. P1V equals to 1 by 3 M1, mass of the first gas, N1 number of molecules, U1 square RMS speed of the gas molecules. From this P1 equals to 1 by 3 M1 N1 U1 square RMS by V. Similarly, replace the gas with another gas in the same container whose volume is V. Replace the gas with another gas in a same vessel. Whose volume is V, mass is M2, number of molecules N2, RMS speed U2 square RMS, pressure is P2. Then according to kinetic gas equation, P2V equals to 1 by 3 M2 N2 U2 square RMS. P2 equals to 1 by 3 M2 N2 U2 square RMS by V. Now replace these two gases by mixing these two gases together in the same vessel. By taking the mixture of two gases in the same container whose volume is V. By the mixing of two gases in a same container, then total pressure is, see, P total is equals to 1 by 3 M1 N1 U1 square RMS by V plus 1 by 3 M2 N2 U2 square RMS by V. That means P total is equals to, here 1 by 3 M1 N1 U1 square RMS by V equals to P1, whereas 1 by 3 M2 N2 U2 square RMS by V equals to P2. P1 plus P2. Since equation 1 and 2, let us consider this equation 1, this is equation 2. from equation 1 and equation 2. So this is P total is equals to the sum of the individual partial pressure. This is the Dalton's law of partial pressure from derivation of Dalton's law of partial pressure from kinetic gas equation. The total pressure exerted by the non-reacting gases is equals to the sum of the individual partial pressure of the gas molecules. That is called Dalton's law of partial pressure. According to kinetic gas equation, kinetic theory of gas molecule, PV equal to 1 by 3 mn u square RMS. Here the container volume V and filled with a gas whose mass is m1, RMS speed is u1 square RMS, and the n1 is the number of molecules, p1 is the pressure. From the kinetic gas equation, P1V equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square RMS. Here V is remains same, that means volume is remains same, volume is constant, that means P1 equals to just V comes under denominator 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square RMS by V. Similarly, the vessel is replaced with another gas. Now mixing of these two gases, the mixture of non-reacting gases in the same container, then P total equals to the sum of the individual partial pressures P1 plus P2. This is the Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, thank you students.